Good afternoon, 6th grade. It is math time. Wednesday, April 8th. We're on lesson 141, page 255 and 256, and it's all more of the same. Just more review. Hopefully by the last two lessons, you've understood what I'm doing, but we're gonna I'm gonna do one of each of the two top ones, and then I have no doubt that you can do the rest. You've had plenty of practice. So let's do a solve and check. Let's do B. Y plus 6 equals 3 squared. Okay, remember, squared means the number times itself that many times. So 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, of course, is 9. So y plus 6 equals 9. Oh, so we've got an addition on this side. Opposite of addition, so opposite of addition of 6 would be subtraction of 6, or minus 6. So we're going to do that here and here. So we have y equals 9 minus 6 is, of course, 3. Can I prove it? Sure. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 squared is 9. It checks out. If you have had trouble with those, guys, please let me know. I don't want you leaving this review section not understanding this solving. Alright, let's do a simplify. Alrighty, so I'm going to do B. B's a little bit different than what we've done. Alright, so B on number 2, 2B. 5 times 9 minus 7 squared. Okay, you won't see these very often, but when you do, remember, parentheses first. So this becomes 5 times 2 squared. Okay, so remember our PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Exponents is right after parentheses, so we do that next. 2 squared, of course, is the same as 2 times 2, which is 4. 5 times 4 is, of course, 20. Remember PEMDAS, for those of you who don't quite remember it yet. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You always do in this order, except, for instance, if you had 3 divided by 6 times 3, you go left to right. As long as you just have a division and multiplication, it's left to right. So this would be like 1/2 times 3, which would be 1 and 1/2. Same thing if you had addition and subtraction. Like if you had 4 minus 2 plus 6, you just go in order, left to right. So it would be 2 plus 6, 8. That's the only time that breaks that rule is if you have both only multiplication and division, or if you have only addition and subtraction. It's the only time that rule is broken. Okay, remember, guys, I've given you the formulas for perimeter and area enough times that if you haven't written them down by now in the videos, I'm not going to go through them again. You need to write these written down or memorized. So make sure you do the ones on 3 and 4 that I told you to do. Any of the story problems if I did. The circle, the graphs, remember, pictographs are the ones that show images, and images each worth a certain number of a thing. Circle graph looks like a circle or pie, and then line graph is the one that looks like a kind of thing. And then do the ones on B or 8 if I told you to do any of those. And just guys, just do this review. This is good for you for when we come back. We'll be able to keep going. You won't have anybody get behind because you're doing your work. And I'm so proud of you guys if you've been keeping up. Remember to do your speed drills, and I will see you Thursday.